Hello guys, I'm back with another interesting solution, which is device driver installation after reinstalling of your Windows. I would like to remind you again that this will work in all Windows 7, 8 or Windows 10. We know that we are helpless without internet connection today, and which will work only if you have Wi-Fi or LAN driver installed. But at first we have neither of them. So here you will need a helping hand, which can be your smartphone or your friend's system. In Google, type 3dpnet, open up the first link. Over here you can select for which operating system you need this. I am using Windows 7, so I am clicking here. This download would take a while since it has a size of around 120 MB. When you open and proceed with this exe file, it will extract all the Wi-Fi and LAN drivers launched till date, and in a result you will find a folder in your drive C which named as 3dp. Just imagine you have all the drivers in your system which has been launched till date. Now navigate to drive C and open 3dp folder, and then open net. Your number might be different over here, but you can open this one as well. Here 3dpnet with this icon is the main folder which you need to open. It will take a while to scan your available network devices. So I have two different drivers here. First is Ethernet, which is also called as LAN driver, and Wi-Fi. So when I click any of them, it will be directly installed in my system without any internet connection. Now we are all set with the internet connection, but still we have other devices drivers to be installed to optimize maximum performance of your hardware. The same way, open any browser and search for 3dp chip and enter. Earlier we did search for 3dpnet. Now download this 3dp chip. This one is not that tricky since it will work online. So after installing 3dp chip, it will be automatically open and will detect all your devices. Now we need to click on this device and it will land me to the page where I can download all drivers. Okay, just you need to download the driver, install it in your system. It will work like a charm. So this is absolutely free guys, and there is no cost for this. Hope this will save your time to search for system disk or keep hunting for suitable drivers. So I would request you to please like this video, subscribe to this channel. This will really helpful for you to get many technical solutions. Thank you so much. I'll back with another video. Have a great day.